To enable or disable screen auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy S26 is simple. All you need to do is simply swipe down for the quick settings menu, and from here you should see the auto rotate option. When it's enabled, it should be a white icon with the words auto rotate displayed. This means that whenever you're in an app and you change your viewing from landscape to portrait or from portrait to landscape, you should see the app immediately adjusting to the settings that you've just made. So again, if you switch orientation, automatically it adjusts without any input from you. However, if you want to turn this off, then all you need to do is simply swipe down, and then on that icon that you've just seen, tap on it once, and it should switch to portrait with a padlock icon saying it's locked in that orientation. From here now, even if you change the orientation of your phone to landscape, you can see the app is not immediately adjusting. So again, if you want to re-enable it, just tap on that specific icon and it will be turned on. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.